If forms provide the interaction model with the user, data policies provide a powerful method for automating processes. A data policy is a rule that results in one or more actions when the rule is triggered. There are two types of data policy: action-based and calendar-based. Let's start with an action-based policy. Action-based policies are used to define rules when a record is accessed in some way. For example, if a new record is added or an existing record is updated. Once the trigger type is defined, you can specify certain criteria using a formula. These formulas are similar to those used in the formula field type or like those in a spreadsheet program. They include the option of using date, logic, math, and text or string functions. For example, adding or updating an expense record where the total value is greater than 1,000 and the workflow state is approved. When the criteria are defined, you can add corresponding actions, such as changing the record ownership, sending an email, assigning a task, modifying a field value, or executing custom Java code. You can batch several actions together in a specific order to perform complex operations with little programming. In this case, we may send an email to the record owner's supervisor, alerting them of the upcoming expense. In addition, we might include Java code to send a SOAP message to the accounting system. A calendar-based policy runs on a schedule and can be recurring. This allows for regular processing of specific records, for example, running a housekeeping process or an accounting process. Like action-based policies, you can target this data policy to run on records with specific criteria. For example, let's say every Friday we want to schedule a policy to run checking for all unapproved or incomplete expense records. We can define this through the menu-driven interface. Once the trigger rule is created, you can add actions to the policy for automated processing. In this case, we want to create a task to the record owner asking them to finish their expense reports.